Well, we hope the electorate in the respective wards and constituency will take priority over the parties that took them into the new seats or positions. Now to health matters, and the vaccine rollout has officially begun today in Kenya at the Kenyatta National Hospital, the first Kenyan being the Acting Director General, Dr. Patrick Amoth. Meanwhile, the government has reiterated the need for Kenyans to shun misinformation revolving around the vaccines. Our health reporter Eunice Omolo was there to capture the first jab.
The Director General of Health, Dr. Patrick Amoth, aka Health Worker 001, received the index vaccine, making him the first Kenyan to receive the first dose of the AstraZeneca COVID-19 jab in the country.
I'm feeling great. That is why I can be able to stand in front of you in this hot sun and address you. So that is an indication that the vaccine is safe.
Dr. Amoth's inoculation opened the chapter of having healthcare workers and other frontline workers in the country protected against the deadly novel coronavirus by receiving the first dose of the vaccine in the first phase of vaccine rollout. 59-year-old Jemima Katama, who is in charge of Infection Prevention Control Unit at the largest referral hospital in the country, became the third healthcare worker after the DG and the Kenyatta National Hospital CEO, Dr. Evanson Kamuri, to be vaccinated.
Chanjo haina uchungu sana, ni ile kidogo tu wakati ngozi inachimbuliwa na shindano kidogo. Sasa hivi sisikii uchungu yoyote baada ya hiyo. Hii chanjo ni muhimu sana kwa wafanyakazi wa hospitali kwa sababu sisi tuko na kwa mstari wa mbele. Wagonjwa wanakuja wanakutana nasi, kwa hivyo tunatakiwa tuwe na kinga ya kutosha ndio kujizuia kupata zile magonjwa na kueneza kwa familia zetu na watu wengine.
The first phase of the vaccine not only targets direct healthcare workers countrywide, but also those in the hospital system, such as Pauline Achieng, a guard at the Kenyatta National Hospital's main entrance as she operates in a high-risk environment. She formed part of the first frontline workers in the country to be vaccinated due to the nature of her job.
Mimi ndiye upokea kila mgeni anapoingia kwa hospitali. Kwa hivyo kama ni chochote chenye alikuwa nayo, ni mimi ndiko nitaipata mara ya kwanza.
The second dose of the COVID-19 vaccine will be issued in 8 weeks' time. Health officials have reiterated the safety of the vaccine in a bid to quell rumors and misinformation clouding the process.
The Catholic Church has a hierarchy of how things are done. And you remember also, His Holiness the Pope has already received the vaccine. Pope Emeritus Benedict XVI has received the vaccine. And Archbishop Muheria, who is the chair of the Interfaith Council, yesterday spoke very, very clearly that the church supports this licit and legitimate process of trying to combat COVID-19.
A number of counties have already received vaccine vials from the consignment dispatched from the National Vaccine Storage Center in Kitengela. By 2023, the government aims to have vaccinated at least 15 million Kenyans, basically 3 out of 10 Kenyans countrywide, to ensure herd immunity is achieved. The index inoculation today marks yet another milestone by the country in the fight against COVID-19, even as Kenya prepares to mark a year since the first case of COVID-19 was reported in the country, as health officials sound an optimism and readiness call to Kenyans to take up the COVID-19 jab. Eunice Omolo, NTV, Nairobi.